Okay, so here we are back on the AMP2 muscles unit. This is a left arm, and so we're going to go over some of the muscles in the arm. So the first one we're starting with is number 30. So this is the deltoid. It's going to be the superficial muscle at the top of the shoulder. And now let me pull this off. It's going to be difficult, so hopefully you don't get motion sick. Okay, that made some extra noise, but that's all right. Okay, so now let's go into getting into the rotator cuff, but not quite. So number 31, this one right here on the bottom, this is teres major, and this is what's gonna help work on the humerus in the arm. So now let's get into the rotator cuff. So starting on the inside here. Number 32, this is the subscapularis. So it's going to be right around the scapula area. So, and then we flip over. Okay, now the easiest way to remember these is to go from top to bottom. Okay, so the top one up here, this would be the supraspinatus. So supra, thinking about being on top, supraspinatus. 34. Infraspinatus, so that's kind of under the supra infra. 35, this is teres minor, so it's going to move there. So this is teres major, it's by itself. Here's teres minor, don't get those confused. All right, let's flip this over a little bit. 36, this is your biceps brachii. So there's the two heads there. So biceps brachii. 37, in between there, running right along the humerus right there. This is the brachialis. So there's the biceps, there's the brachialis. And 38. It's kind of weird to see. Here we go. So we're kind of like the top of the forearm here, the top of the forearm. This is your brachioradialis. So this is going, down from the arm into the radius. So there's that one. And then 39, this is your triceps brachii. And you can't really see all of them there, but this is your triceps brachii. So you have biceps brachii, brachialis, triceps brachii, brachioradialis down here. 39, that was 39, 40. Okay, so here we are on kind of like the inside of the forearm. So this is somebody's left arm here. So here on the inside of the forearm, so this is number 40. This would be your pronator teres. So this one is what helps turn the arm over. 41, the supinator would be what undoes the pronator, and I believe it's under here. I'm trying to see if I can pull this out. Yes. So you have your pronator and your supinator. That's what pulls it back. All right, so now more into the forearm. Okay, so this here we got palm up here. Okay, so number 42, so this is right down the middle of the forearm. This is your flexor carpi radialis. So this is going to pull the wrist in, just like this, pull the wrist in. 43, right next to it. This is your palmaris longus. So look, it's long, easier way to use, and it goes all the way down to the palm of the hand. So it's going to help pull the hand in. 44, on over on kind of the back of the arm, back side of the forearm. This is your flexor carpi ulnaris. So this is right along the ulna. If you remember where your ulna is, that will help you. Okay, now back. I gotta put this piece back in here. Kind of tricky. There we go. Okay, So here, just to help you get oriented, we're going up along the thumb here. Okay, so we're now on number 45. This is your extensor carpi radialis longus. That's a lot of words. So these two go together. So all of them are going to say extensor carpi radialis. So here, think of your radius. This is the long one. This is the short one. So that'd be the brevis. Longus brevis. Flexor carpi radialis. Longus brevis. 47. Extensor digitorum. That's going to be what helps extend the fingers like that. 48. Here we go. This is the side of the forearm here, right along the pinky. You can kind of see that, and look, there's the ulna. So this is your extensor carpi ulnaris. So you have your extensor carpi radialis longus brevis, extensor carpi ulnaris. All right, let's see here. Now we have these right in here, these muscles that just kind of run right along the palm of the hand. These are your lumbrical muscles. So we're just going to kind of label all of them as one particular unit. And the last one, this would be your thenar muscles, so of the hands. This would be on the thumb particularly. And so this is what allows you to be able to do this, oppose the thumb. So that would be muscles of the arm.